Okay, it's the 5th of February. Doing this in the morning around 10 a.m. because I have to be on the road this afternoon and this evening. We have a storm coming. For some, it's snow, it's sleet. Others, it's going to be a little bit of everything. And eventually, I mean, at some point, everybody gets a little bit of ice, but this could be some rough driving out there, especially tomorrow morning. I would say you got to give it some time till late morning before the roads will definitely start to clear up by then. But before that, a rough travel. So this is around 8 o'clock this evening. Shouldn't be any problems. Pennsylvania, Delaware, and New Jersey really traveling at all this evening, going home. But as we get closer to around, this is around 2 a.m., you can see snow down here in Jersey, Wilmington, Philadelphia, heading up towards Allentown and Reading, and then North Jersey here up to Newark by then. And then here in Central PA and Harrisburg State College, you got some sleet, and then you got some freezing rain out here by Pittsburgh heading out, and it's just really getting started at this time around 2 a.m. We moved this to around 4 a.m., and you can see the sleet is now taking hold in central PA, southeastern PA, and here's your heavy ice storm out here in the Laurel Highlands. And Pittsburgh, you flipped over to rain. In Jersey, northern part of Jersey, northern Trenton and north basically is snow. Trenton and south is sleet, and then it transitions to rain as you get towards Cape May. And then as we move this out to around 8 a.m., you can see the snow coming down fairly decent here in New York City, northern Jersey, Newark, heading towards the Poconos, and then heading up here towards Binghamton. Sleet is now the name of the word in Williamsport, and freezing rain is now taken over in a lot of areas. Again, Laurel Highlands down into southern Pennsylvania, even towards Philadelphia, you've got some freezing rain going on. Here's some heavier freezing rain at this time in Wilmington. We move this, as you can see, it moves pretty quick. That's the saving grace of the storm. It's now moving a little faster. This is 11 a.m. tomorrow morning. Um, Pockets of sleet in northeastern PA with some freezing rain behind it as it pulls away and then out of Dodge by noontime or so. Now, this is the snow totals here by Allentown. Here you can see you might get a couple of inches of snow. Even out heading out towards Berks County and Reading could be 1 to 2 inches of snow. Up in the Poconos, not a big snow event, but maybe parts of Wayne County can get an inch or so of snow. As we're talking about sleet now, you can see it varies. There's pockets of very heavy sleet where it's almost an inch. Higher elevations of the Poconos, an inch or so. So it's very dangerous driving conditions. I think I heard that Pennsylvania's got all tractor trailers off the highway sometime this evening and into tomorrow. So that's probably a smart move. But I would say everybody should think about what they're going to be doing. Here's New Jersey here, about a half an inch of sleet. Philadelphia area here, half inch or more of sleet. But some pockets out here could be some heavy sleet, and so that's going to really mess up driving. And here's your freezing rain. Early on, it's out here by Pittsburgh, a tenth or two. Heaviest sleet is in the Laurel Highlands out here. This could be power outages, severe driving problems out there, because anything over a quarter of an inch can bring tree branches down and stuff. So that's you got to really watch that. Temperatures are going to be on the line where it could be sleet or it could be freezing rain. Right now, it looks like freezing rain. As you can see, these totals are a little bit less than what they were, but you're still talking a tenth or two in a lot of areas. And then as you head up into the Poconos, you're just talking a little bit of freezing rain up there. And in some areas up here towards Towanda and Tunkhannock, you're not talking, even the Wyoming Valley, you're not talking about any freezing rain. So that's a saving grace there. But I would think that you're talking the Laurel Highlands in southern Pennsylvania and central Pennsylvania. This could be a pretty tough travel here for you because that seems to be the areas that are going to get the worst of it between the freezing rain and the sleet. Again, everywhere, even the Poconos, it doesn't look like you're getting a lot up towards the north, but you're going to have snow, sleet, and a little bit of freezing rain. It's going to be rough travel for everybody, especially the higher elevations of the Poconos, where they're going to get more sleet than other spots. But you can see some of these areas in here where sleet seems to be pronounced. Again, travel with caution and take it easy. And we have this other information here. This is Saturday late afternoon. You can see another storm coming up through Pennsylvania. Again, snow, sleet, freezing rain, and rain. And Poconos could get some accumulation out of this in northern New Jersey, especially as this thing goes overnight into Saturday and begins to pull out by sunrise. In fact, this is 5 a.m. and it's now moved out into Jersey and into New York at that point in time. We'll talk about totals and stuff after this storm this weekend, this today and tonight and stuff. We'll talk about this tomorrow. All right, everybody, take care, drive safe, take it easy.